Hi, my name is Yalo Thomas. I'm a solution architect at Redington Value. Today we will cover Red Hat Storage. Red Hat Storage is a unified Scaleout NAS software and object storage solution for unstructured and semi-structured data. So it's a Scaleout NAS software. So let's understand this. So typically you can scale up a storage or a system by adding more storage and adding more CPU and memory to it. So this is scale up. Rather than doing this, you can scale out by adding more servers and you build as you grow. So instead of putting everything in one box, you invest on servers as you grow. So that is scale out architecture. Second thing here is it's for unstructured and semi-structured data. That means it's not for DBMS, it's not for database, it's for unstructured and semi-structured data like your video files, your audio files, your bulk data. Now there are two reasons why people are looking for scale out SAN or rather scale out NAS. First reason is the cost. SAN is very costly, so people are looking for scaling out the NAS using some software. Second reason is because of the big data movement. Now people are storing data for analytical purpose, for all the other reasons. So you have TBs of data storage requirement. So people are looking out to scale out the NAS software, and that is where Red Hat fits in. So Red Hat has got Red Hat Storage, in which it provides three things. First is the operating system, that is RHEL, that is Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Second is XFS file system, it's a file system. And the third component that comes along with Red Hat Storage is your cluster file system. So these are the three components that you get when you purchase Red Hat Storage. Now it has got three variants, so it's available in three variants. One is for on-premise, second variant is for cloud, and the third variant is basically a mix of both, that is hybrid. So you can choose whether you want the storage solution on-premise or on the cloud, or you want a mix and match of both, that is the hybrid module. That is Red Hat Storage. So now we'll come to the most important features of Red Hat Storage 2.0. So first is unified file object access. So unified file object access, which enables an application to access the storage data using both an object interface as well as a file interface. That is one. Second important feature is proactive self-heal. Now, proactive self-heal, this feature enables a server when it reboots to automatically synchronize data with the rest of the servers without any manual intervention. So that is important. So you don't have to be physically present at the location to bring the server up. It can self-heal itself. Third and another important feature is failover and failback. Now failover and failback is between master and slave while doing the synchronous replication. So these are the three important features of Red Hat Storage. Now we'll come to the use cases of Red Hat Storage. So there are many use cases. One is general purpose file serving and file sharing. Example, your home directory for the users. Second can be your HPC requirement, that is high performance computing requirement, which requires very high bandwidth and very high throughput. Third could be NAS Dropbox, typically used by service providers for storing the content of end user and can be accessed from any device, mobile or maybe a laptop or whatever. That is another use case. And the fourth use case is where you want a near-line archival and backup solution. So here I'm focusing on the word near-line. So it's not for online backup and it's not for offline backup. So it's near-line. It's a compromise between online as well as offline. So it's a near-line backup, archival and backup solutions. So these are some of the typical use cases for the Red Hat storage. So we provide this software and the solution and the implementation services for this, which is very cost effective. There is no vendor lock-in. There can be any kind of device from any vendor. So you don't have to go with similar kind of hardware. You can just have any kind of hardware and you can implement this solution. If you need more consulting or any help on this particular product, you can contact Redington. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.